Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. First you will need to wake up the screen. You can do it by pressing any of the button, then press the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it, of course, to enter the settings. So let's tap on the icon. Here we need to find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and then find the option called factory reset, and then tap on it, of course. And here, as you can see, we have these like data types, and basically what you can do is to tap on one to check the box next to it, and what it does, it basically, if you check the boxes next to the data type, it will retain that data on your watch even though you reset it. So if you want to keep some data, let's say for example maps or store apps and stuff like that, you can check the boxes, and then once you tap on reset, or confirm rather, it will reset the watch, but it will keep your data, the one that you selected. I don't need any data, so I'm gonna tap on confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.